A smartwatch is more than a device, it becomes part of your daily routine, personal style, and busy lifestyle. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic stands out for those seeking elegance, confidence, and a premium wearable experience. In this full review and buying guide, discover why this smartwatch continues to attract attention from users who value both sophistication and modern innovation. Number 1. Like military smartwatches for men. 1.85 HD touchscreen with large display and built-in LED light. The smartwatch for men features an extra-large 1.85 TFT HD display with a resolution of 360 x 360, offering excellent readability, even in sunlight. Note, this watch is better suited for people with larger wrists. Thanks to the spacious full touch screen, you can easily navigate through all functions without straining your eyes, perfect for men with larger hands or for outdoor use. The built-in LED light brightens up the darkness, ideal at night, in the basement, or on hikes. Clear view, full control, anytime, anywhere. Note, the link includes tutorial videos for effective use of the watch. 1000 mAh battery for up to 65 days standby. This fitness tracker is equipped with an extremely powerful 1000 mAh battery, offering an impressive standby time of up to 65 days and over 19 days with normal use. Say goodbye to constant charging, perfect for outdoor adventures, travel, and an active lifestyle. Count on endurance and freedom, exactly what men need. Dual style, 2 bands for any occasion. The black smartwatch for men comes with an elegant stainless steel band for business and formal occasions and a soft silicone band for sports, leisure, and everyday wear. Stylish at the office, sporty at the gym, you can switch your look in seconds. Perfect for men who value flexibility, comfort, and personal expression. One watch, always the right style. Bluetooth calls and message notifications stay connected at all times. With the built-in Bluetooth calling feature, you can make and receive calls directly from your watch without reaching for your phone. At the same time, you get real-time notifications for SMS, WhatsApp and more. Ideal for men on the go who don't want to miss anything. Practical, smart, and ready for everyday life. Number 2. Olef's automatic watches for men. Leather band, waterproof, powered by your natural wrist movement. This automatic mechanical watch requires no batteries. For optimal precision, please wear it for at least 8 hours daily. If stationary, simply rotate the crown clockwise 30 times at its original position, without pulling it out, to wind the mainspring and store sufficient energy. Elegant luxury dress watches for men with a stunning blue face and classic brown leather watch. Men's style, perfect for business meetings or formal events. This business casual wristwatch enhances your professional image and sophisticated taste. With a case diameter of 40 mm, 1.61 in, and a strap length of 220 mm, 8.66 in, this watch fits a wide range of wrist sizes. It features a breathable, adjustable, and soft leather strap for a comfortable fit, equipped with an easy read day-date window. This waterproof watch for men is 30 water resistant, handling sweat, rain, or splashes with ease during outdoor activities or professional use. Crafted with exquisite luxury craftsmanship, this stylish watch complements both business attire and evening wear, making it a versatile accessory for everyday office wear, formal dinners, and all kinds of business occasions. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. WHY Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, timeless design. New lug system for easy band detachment and replacement. Advanced health and sleep tracking features for total body wellness. Improved user interface. Personal AI assistant for hands-free help. Superscript 1-2 warranty built to perform. Designed to impress. Show off your style with an iconic design that blends tradition with cutting-edge innovation. Superscript 1 A brighter screen makes everything easy to see, and a rotating bezel gives you access to your favorite apps. Your every command, right on your wrist. Get a little extra help with day-to-day tasks. Galaxy Watch 8 Classic features a personal AI assistant superscript 1 that helps you get things done hands-free. Simply speak the command and your watch makes it happen. Unlock the secrets to better sleep. When you get good sleep, it feels like anything is possible. Start each day with more energy and better focus using Advanced Sleep Coaching Squared, improved with even more ways to help you sleep smarter. Quick updates, at a glance, get updates, select apps and more with Nowbar cubed, 4 and an improved user experience. Nowbar conveniently puts the info you use the most, like weather, news and more, right on your main watch screen. Your running goals, at your pace, from a mile to a marathon. Unleash the winning runner within using Running Coach. 5 Your watch analyzes factors 6 such as your age, weight, oxygen levels and heart rate to guide you through your run. Power for fast-paced lifestyles. Your active lifestyle needs a watch that can keep up with you. Stay powered up and in charge with a battery that's built for even your busiest days. 7 Number 4. Garmin Approach Registered S70 Premium GPS Golf Smartwatch. Stunning 1.4 AMOLED display brings more than 43,000 preloaded full-color course view maps to life on your wrist. Look good on and off the course with a lightweight, stylish design and ceramic bezel. Battery life, up to 16 days of battery life in smartwatch mode and up to 20 hours in GPS mode. Enhanced golf course maps allow you to see intricate details with the ability to pan and zoom for narrowing in on your target distance. Improved virtual caddy feature shows your shot dispersion data and suggests a club based on a variety of factors, including your historical swing data, elevation, wind speed, wind direction and more. Enhanced plays like distance feature accounts for uphill shots, downhill shots and trajectory as well as wind, temperature and air pressure with a built-in barometer. For more accurate plays like distances, plan the best approach shot, and sync the putt with green contour data, which shows you the green's slope, direction and severity on select courses. Available with an active Garmin Golf app membership. Easily keep score as you play, and upload to the Garmin Golf app for stat tracking and handicap calculation. Auto shot round analyzer measures and auto records detected shot distances and pairs with optional approach CT10 club tracking sensors for more automatic game tracking capabilities, including detecting putts and chips. Improve your strength and mobility with preloaded activity profiles for strength, yoga, cardio and more, so you can hit the ball farther and prevent injuries. Number 5. Suai Luxury Smartwatch for Men Bluetooth Call. Luxury men's smartwatch, 2 straps, 2 stylish design with a full metal body, luxury, sophistication, and elegance. Smartwatch for men. Android with 2 styles. Straps, flexibility to match your outfit. The metal strap adds a touch of luxury suitable for business settings, while the silicone strap complements an active lifestyle. The package includes a watch band tool, easy strap change in 1 minute, Bluetooth calling, voice assistant, and notifications equipped with an integrated microphone and high-fidelity speaker. Suai Smartwatch for Men allows you to make/receive/reject calls, view call logs, and add contacts. Android smartwatches for men also receives reminder notifications, including SMS, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook Messenger, and more, ensuring you never miss crucial alerts. 1.43 HD AMOLED, 466 by 466 resolution. Suai SM7 men's smartwatch boasts the market's highest resolution at 466 by 466. Enjoy a clear, vivid visual experience with anti-glare technology for outdoor visibility. The energy-efficient AMOLED display allows the screen to be always on without draining the battery. Choose from 15 preloaded watch faces, add 100 plus more from the app, or customize with your family or pet pictures. 24-hour health monitoring fitness tracker smartwatch with built-in advanced sensors accurately monitor heart rate, blood pressure, and blood oxygen, aiding a better understanding of your health. Automatic sleep tracking observes sleep stages, deep, light, awake, and offers comprehensive sleep quality analysis for improved well-being. View your health summary on the Dayfit app. 100 Plus Sports Modest Fitness Tracker Watch supports 100 Plus sports modes, including cycling, running, basketball, football, climbing, and more. Fitness Tracker Smartwatch provides real-time monitoring of sports heart rate, walking distance, speed, calorie consumption, and other key data, assisting in tracking and enhancing your sports performance.